During today's question hour in the House, Mahut Minister Okram Henry said that the Imphal Municipal Council was changed as Imphal Municipal Corporation and published the same in Extraordinary Gazette number 400A of February 28, 2014. Replying to a question by MLA Kumakcham Joy Kishan, Minister Henry said that the work of the corporation is taken up under Manipur Municipalities Act 1994 and amendment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated three major projects worth around Rs 3,000 crore in the oil sector in Assam from Silapathar in Dhemaji district today. Prime Minister Modi also remotely laid the stone of Salkuchi Engineering College from Silapathar. The projects in the oil sector of Assam include IOCL IND-MAX unit at Bangaigaon Refinery, Oil India Limited's secondary tank farm at Madhuban, Dibrugarh, and a gas compressor station at Hebeda village in Makum of Tinsukia district. The project will have a dehydration unit with an operating capacity of 10,000 kiloliters per day. The unit will also provide additional storage to facilitate an increase in the production of crude oil. The Dhemaji Engineering College has been built at a plot of 276 bighas of land at a cost of Rs 44.98 crore. The Congress-led government in Puducherry has lost the confidence vote sought by Chief Minister V. Narayanasamy in the face of its depleted strength of 11 against the opposition's 14 following resignation of ruling dispensation MLAs, including a DMK legislator, according to media reports. Though Narayanasamy moved the motion seeking the confidence vote minutes after the Assembly met for a special one-day session, he and his ruling side MLAs later walked out before the motion was put for voting. Coronavirus cases in India have climbed to 1,10,05,850 as the country continues to report a surge in the daily COVID-19 infections. There are 1,50,055 coronavirus active cases in India right now. The Union Health Ministry said that India has been witnessing a rise in the coronavirus active cases over the past few days. According to the ministry, 22 states and UTs have not reported any coronavirus-related deaths yesterday. India today reported 14,199 new coronavirus cases, 9,695 discharges, and 83 deaths in the past 24 hours as per Union Health Ministry. Manipur's COVID-19 case count stands at 29,237 after 4 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours as per the data from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West and Churachandpur districts. The state's death toll stands at 373. The cumulative number of active cases is 80, while the recovery cases reached 28,784. The state's recovery rate is 98.45% as of 11 a.m. today. As a part of the Know Your Sanctuaries and Wetlands media campaign organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU under the sponsorship of Forest Department and Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, a team of media persons left for Zaimeng Lake in Kangpopi district this morning. The campaign kicked off on January 31 last in an effort to spread awareness to the public about the importance of preserving wildlife sanctuaries and wetlands. Students of Commerce, Science and Arts of Dhanmanjuri University today staged a protest demanding regular classes. They chanted several slogans during the protest. A scuffle broke out in the campus as police tried to control the protesting students. On the eve of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Dhemaji in Assam, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated the lighting system in Bagobil Bridge over the Brahmaputra at Dibrugarh. Chief Minister Sonowal inaugurated the lighting system in presence of Union Minister for Food Processing Industries, Rameswar Tele. The longest rail-cum-road bridge in India was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on December 25, 2018. The bridge connects Dibrugarh direct with the Dhemaji district. MARD club Moirang thrashed YSUC Pubala by 3-1 in the opening match of the first late Pilem Irabot Memorial 2nd Division Football League 2020-21 yesterday. The tournament is organized by District Football Association, Moirang at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground.